Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys just some things that I got for Christmas baking wise. So I just got a couple of baking supplies for Christmas that I wanted to show you guys, and I promise you guys next week, next Tuesday, I'm going to post an actual baking video. I know I haven't posted a baking video in a while, but I promise you the baking video that I have coming up is going to be really great. I'll give you a hint. It's a cake that is themed around a movie that just came out, and it's going to be a really awesome cake. So really excited to upload that, so just you wait for that. But anyways, I'll just start by showing you guys the things that I got. So the first thing that I got was this fancy like reusable piping bag kit. So it comes with a bunch of like reusable piping bags, and it comes with a bunch of tips, and I haven't opened this yet, and I just opened it now. And it came with these two red things. I don't know what this does. I'll figure it out though. But it comes with like this silicone coupler so that, you know, you could reuse it. And then we've got all these tips. It's like a tower. And then there's this red thing. I think this has maybe something to do with these red pieces. I don't know. I don't know what this does. Oh, it's just one reusable piping bag, but it's a big one. So that's good. It's like a silicone piping bag. So that's cool. Okay, so next I have this fondant tool set. So it's just a bunch of fondant tools, and oh my god, I'm so happy I got this. I love this so much, and I don't know if I said this before, but this is the first time I'm opening and seeing everything, so I haven't really actually held these tools yet, but I'm excited to look through each one with you guys. So let's see. And then I'm so happy about this. It came with tweezers, and like these are baking tweezers, so like they're bent, and it's really good for like picking up like little pearls, so you could like stick them on a cake instead of using your fingers. And it's so hard to use your fingers to pick up pearls because then it just drops out of your hands and it goes all over the floor and it's a big mess. And no, this, I am so happy about this. When I saw this on Christmas Day, I was like flipping out because I had wanted this, but I forgot to ask for it, and it, you know, I asked for fondant tools, but I didn't know that it was going to come with tweezers, so that's amazing. And then it came with this little spatula. That's so cute. And then it comes in this little, it's got compartments, and it's got a top that has like these flappy things, you know, so you could lock the box. Okay, next item. So next I got these different paintbrushes. These are baking paintbrushes, so they're special. They're special for baking, and you know, there's different sizes. So there's one called a liner, a round, a small flat, an angled flat, and a wide flat. So yeah. So as you can see, they're all different sizes. I guess I'll take them out of the box. These are great if you want to paint with luster dust, or if you have edible paint. I know they're making that now. They have like edible paint. So yeah, there's different size brushes, so it makes it easier to paint. I've been using like regular paintbrush and I don't know, it's just not as good. I prefer to have a professional baking paintbrush and I love it. And yeah, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to bake with all these tools. I just love everything. Next item. So next I just got some 10-inch round cake boards because you can never have enough cake boards. I have plenty of them, but you always need cake boards. Next item. I also got, haven't opened this yet, it's still got some plastic wrap on it. Basically it's just like a sheet of metal and it's got like a rounded part so you could grip it, and it's got a nice flat edge so that you could smooth over frosting. It's really great for smoothing frosting. I don't know what else people use this for. I just see bakers all the time on YouTube or on Instagram, those little quick Instagram cake frosting videos that always come up in my explore feed thing. Yeah. I always watch those videos and I see they have these sheets of metal and they use it to smooth out the frosting and it works really well, and then you use your offset spatula to go over the top, but you use this for the sides of the cakes and it's just really helpful. And then my final item is an air fryer. So I'll insert a video clip of that at some point in this video. So yeah, with an air fryer, I'm so excited that I got this. I wasn't even expecting this. I've been asking for this for the longest time, and for years and years I've just, you know, asked for it but never gotten it, and I just can't believe that this year I finally got an air fryer. So with an air fryer, it's like a healthier way of deep frying foods. So, you know, I've always wanted to make donuts, but I've only been able to do like baked donuts because my mom is very against deep frying because it's, you know, it's unhealthy. And so then we saw this thing called an air fryer on TV and I was like, Mom, this is perfect because it's a healthier way of frying foods, but you still get that fried food taste and that fried food like consistency, I guess. And with an air fryer, it basically, you just use like a tablespoon of oil as opposed to literally a pot filled with oil, because usually when you make donuts or you want to deep fry some like fried chicken or, you know, or french fries or something, you would take a big pot and you would just throw it into a pot of oil. That's how you deep fry something. But with an air fryer, you can fry foods with only a tablespoon of oil. But yeah, it's really cool because now I can finally make some donuts. So maybe I'll post some donut videos soon with my air fryer. So excited, and I'm also just so excited to make like real french fries instead of those, I mean, they're kind of good, but like those french fries that, you know, they're frozen and then you have to heat them up in the toaster oven. I mean, like, they're fine, but like deep fried french fries just taste so much better. So I'm going to be using my air fryer to make some fries for myself and maybe some fried chicken, because I like fried chicken. My dogs decided to get into the clip, but let's be real, is anyone complaining? They're adorable. Who doesn't love to see an adorable dog in a YouTube video? Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, and I'm still holding these. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below what you want me to bake in the future. And also, like I said in the beginning of the video, stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you have my post notification bell turned on, because the video that I have for next week is going to be amazing. Trust me, it is going to be amazing, and I'm so excited to post it, and I'm so excited to make the thing that I have planned. So oh my god, I'm just so excited, and you guys should get excited too because it's going to be awesome. So make sure you're subscribed so you know exactly when that video drops, because it's gonna be worth it, trust me. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!